Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, Germany definitely is ready to do more. And we will provide at least another 84 million euros in the course of this year. We will have governmental negotiations in May, and we will link this support to the climate resilient support scheme of Pakistan. We want to go beyond that. We have a running portfolio of 800 million euros in Pakistan. And together with your government, we want to check whatever we can do to mainstream this running portfolio with 4RF.
Chairman, as a committed member and friend of the Asian region, Japan intends to continue to help with the recovery and further development of Pakistan while working to support those of Pakistan who have suffered as a result of the destruction caused by the disastrous flood. Providing Japan's domestic procedures are cleared as our country's specific measures require, I express Japan's intention to provide additional assistance of about $77 million during the recovery stage through 2023 and beyond on the basis of Pakistan's importance and priorities set by the PDNA. The assistance will include but not be limited to the considered essential areas needed for Pakistan's recovery, including disaster mitigation, public health, medicine, and agriculture.
In 2022 alone, the United States provided over $100 million to support immediate flood relief efforts, disaster resilience, and food security needs, as well as financing for relief logistics. Today, I'm pleased to announce that the United States is pledging an additional $100 million of recovery funding, bringing the U.S. government's total contribution to more than $200 million since the middle of August. The new funding will help strengthen climate-smart agriculture and food security systems, scale up essential health services in flood-affected communities, and expedite a return to learning among marginalized populations, particularly girls.